The work done using Green's theorem by the force F is equal to root y I plus root x j on the particle counterclockwise once around the curve y is equal to 0, x is equal to y is equal to x square by 4. So for this work done, what's the formula to find work done? It is integral over c f dot dr. So here f dot dr will be integral over c. Vector f is root y I plus root x j. So dr is dxi plus dyj. So it is root y dx plus root x dy. Then by Green's theorem, left hand side is integral over c p dx plus q dy. Right hand side is in double integral over r dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dA. So here p is root y and q is root x. P is the coefficient of dx, q is the coefficient of dy. So dou p by dou y is with respect to y derivative, that is y raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Dou q by dou x is x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So we have to evaluate, using the theorem, we have to evaluate the right hand side. So to evaluate the left hand side, it is enough to evaluate the right hand side. So we have to evaluate the double integral. So region, which is the region? Region is the area bounded by y is equal to 0, that is x axis. Then x is equal to 2, that is a vertical line. Then y is equal to x square by 4. It's a parabola. Y is equal to x square by 4 means it is a parabola symmetric about y axis. So the region is bounded by x axis, x is equal to, and the parabola. So the closed region is shaded. Okay. So to evaluate this along this region, we can take the outermost integral along x direction. So for that, consider vertical strips at the extreme. So left extreme vertical line is this one. That is x is equal to 0. Then rightmost vertical line is through this point, that is x is equal to 2. So x varies from 0 to 2. Then idinagathoru vertical line varakya. So in that vertical line, the lower end y is equal to 0. Upper end is touching on the parabola, y is equal to x square by 4. So what's the limit for y? Y is equal to 0 to x square by 4. So the difference dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y is 2 by 3 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus y raised to 3 by 2 dy dx. So evaluate this. We can take 3 by 2 outside. X raised to 3 by 2, the integration with respect to y cheyidale, x raised to 3 by 2 is a constant. So y minus y raised to 3 by 2 integral y raised to 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. Then limit for y x square by 4, then 0. So x square by 4 substitute cheyidale x raised to 3 by 2 into x square by 4 minus 2 by 5 into x square by 4 the whole raised to 5 by 2. So it is x raised to 2 by 3 by 2, 2, that is 7 by 2. So 1 by 4 x raised to 7 by 2 minus it is 1 by 10. X square raised to 5 by 2 is x raised to 5. Then again integration with respect to x cheyidale 1 by 4 x raised to 9 by 2 by 9 by 2 minus 1 by 10 x raised to 5 integral x raised to 6 by 6 from 0 to 2. If x is 2, substitute cheyalo. So we get the answer as 16 root 2 by 27 minus 32 by 45. Okay. So next one, using Green's theorem, find the area enclosed by a curve C. So what's the formula to find the area? Double integral over r dA. By Green's theorem, it is double integral over c p dx plus q dy is double integral over r dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dA. So here double integral dA, that means this difference should be a constant. So I put dou q by dou x as 1 and dou p by dou y minus 1. If it is 1, 1 minus 1 0 I put. So minus 1 koduthu. So the difference 1 plus 1 2 out. So it is 2 dA. So if dou q by dou x is 1, what is q integral? With respect to x cheyidal x kittum. If dou p by dou y is minus 1, what is p? Integrate minus 1 with respect to y, so you get minus y. So this becomes, equation number 1 becomes integral over c p is minus y. So minus y dx plus x dy is equal to double integral over r 2 dA. So what is double integral over r dA? Half of integral over c minus y dx plus x dy. So this is the formula to find area using Green's theorem. Area is half of integral over c minus 5 dx plus x dy. This is a line integral. Okay. So using Green's theorem, find the area of the ellipse. The usual problem. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So by Green's theorem, area is half of integral over c minus y dx plus x dy. So here the region is the ellipse. So x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. We can put x is equal to minus a cos theta, y is b sin theta. So dx will be minus a sin theta d theta, dy b cos theta d theta.